All right. I'm going to introduce a new skill to you guys about comparing fractions. Now, when we're comparing fractions, let me go ahead and write that. Comparing fractions. It's important to remember something called, this is what we're going to really focus on today, okay? So make sure you pay very close attention because this is going to be called the butterfly method. The butterfly method is going to be your new best friend, and I'll tell you why, because I'm going to make you do it every time you compare fractions. What is it called?
The butterfly method.
All right, let's talk a little bit more, because you can't always just compare fractions it's not always easy, because if I say, let's say 3/4 and let's say 2/3, and I told you guys to compare which one's greater than, less than. That's not always easy, is it? No. In fact, let me show you with a fraction cake. Okay, here's 3/4, right? 3/4, there's my little fraction cake. And then I'm pretty sure this has thirds in it. Oh, yes it does, 2/3. Come on! There we are. Does this help?
Yeah.
Helps a little bit, right? It's still a little tricky, isn't it? You should be able to tell that this one covers more space. If I said you can have this much cake or this much cake, would you rather have the one on the left or the right? I would rather have the one on the left because it is greater than. Let me show you the same amount. This is what? How many fourths? 3/4. How many thirds? 2/3. So let me get out my fraction pieces here to show you. How many fourths?
3.
Okay, so let's do thirds. Here are my thirds. Does this come with fourths? I hope so. Where are they? Ah, they're yellow.
I got it.
Thank you, McKinley. Thank you. Now I can compare. What is it? 2/3. I need to get rid of one of these. That's too many thirds. And I need 3/4, right? On a test today, if we have time, I'd love to, because I think it helps us understand the sizes, right? Do I have everyone's eyes?
Yes.
If I have pieces of chocolate, you can either have 2/3 or 3/4. Which would you rather have? Or
3/4.
I personally love chocolate. I would rather have 3/4 because it's greater. I'd rather have more chocolate. What about y'all?
Me.
Okay, all right, that's your opinion. Here's where the butterfly method comes in. You will not be able to use these on a test, and that's okay because you have the butterfly method. When you do the butterfly method, you need to practice your multiplication because you need multiplication for it. All right, which is why we do our multiplication chart. You can use your multiplication chart. This is why we practice our flashcards. Start at the top, always start at the top, and connect the threes like this. Go from side to side. Start at the top and do that to the other side. Do y'all see how this makes the shape of a butterfly? That's why we call it the butterfly method. Now, if I multiply, hang with me, if I multiply 3 times 3, what do I get?
9.
So on this side, sit up everyone, sit up. Y'all told me 9. What if I multiply 2 times 4?
8.
Now, which side is greater, 9 or 8?
9.
So 9 gets 2 dots, and the alligator will face this way. Okay, so it's greater than. Did I just blow your mind?
No.
Put your glasses back on, please. Alright, let's try it again. Let's try it again because that is the answer. That is greater than, just like it matched with the picture, or with the pieces. Let's try another fraction. Let's do, how about 4/6, and how many eighths should I do?
7. No, 8.
Let's do 4/8. We'll do like numerators here, even though we're really focusing on like denominators. Look at the like numerators. All right. 4/6 and 4/8. I know that. Here's a 6th. Here's an 1/8. I know that the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction, right?
Yeah.
So if I have 4/8, 1, 2, 3, 4/8, and I have 4/6, which is this really pretty color. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3/6.
No, 3/6
Hang with me. 4/6.
is a whole one.
Would you rather have 4/8 of chocolate or 4/6 of chocolate? 4/6 because it's 4/6. Hang with me. We want the bigger piece. 4 on the floor. Please and thank you. 4/6 is greater than 4/8. Let's use the butterfly method to try it out. Ready? Start at the top. Yes, we're going to start our wings at the top. 4 times 8 is... What? 4 times 8 is what, class?
32.
Good. 4 times 6 is
24.
24. Very good. Which number is greater? 32 is. So this side gets 2 dots. This side gets 1 dot. Connect the dots, and it gives us the greater than symbol. Does that make sense?
Are we going to do a page about it?
We are. We totally are.
Let's go. I can't wait to do the butterfly method.
If you can hear me, clap once. All right, let's do one more before I let you go. All right, let's do one more. Let's do fifths, shall we? And
6, 7, and 7.
I don't have seventh blocks, but I do have thirds.
Aw, man. Why not 6?
Cooper. 3/5 and 2/3. That works. All right. Whoops. 1. How about for the sake of this example, let's do same numerators. No, because 3/3 would be this. Here, let's do 2/5 and 2/3. How does that sound? Thank you. 2/5 and 2/3. Which one do you predict will be greater? There's 2/5. Here's 2/3. Remember, the bigger the denominator gets, the smaller the fraction. Y'all with me? Fix your shirt. Please and thank you. 2/5 versus 2/3. 2/3 is bigger, and I can test it out with the butterfly method. Always start at the top. 2 times 3 is...
6.
Always start at the top for the wings. 2 times 5 is... All right, well, which side should get 2 dots? 6 or 10? 10, because 10 is greater than 6. So 2 dots over here. The hungry alligator always wants the number that is greater. 1 dot because it's a smaller number. Connect the dots. You might hear it called, you can hear it called the butterfly method. Some people call it cross multiplying. Kind of like some people say data, some people say data. This is the same thing. Cross multiply is just like the butterfly method. Thumbs up if this makes sense. Thumbs down if this does not make sense. Give me a if we're getting there. We'll do some practice. All right.
It's awesome.
Let's stop recording.